Blessed people of Rivers State. He said Rivers money for Rivers people. So the issue of people not being happy is immaterial. But I want to say that personally I'm happy. Happy in the sense that that has been my dream, that the workers of Rivers State should feel the impact of government. And you have seen it consistently under this administration, that the governor have consistently given that bonus, not only to the serving officers, but this time around he had extended it to the pensioners. It goes a long way to show that that is a statement that he's here to serve Rivers people. He's maintaining it. You know, in the first instance, last year when he gave the money, he made it flat. This year he made it flat. Not talking who is a permanent secretary, no, who is a director, who is this. But his consideration is based on the fact that the market remains the same market for the poor and the rich. And that shows that he's sensitive enough. And so we appreciate him so much. We commend that, his decision.
I think the point she's trying to make is that it looks like the governor is paying so much attention, so much in quotes, to civil servants.
No. It's a demonic thinking. Yeah, these people, this group of people have suffered over the years. Suffered. What do you call civil servant? The engine room of government, without which the government cannot function. They implement the policies of the government. And if you see them, they look very wretched, suffering and smiling. And so this is the first time they have gotten their own, who appreciate, who pass through the rank and file, who is a beneficiary of that suffering. And he's saying, no, we can't continue like this. I mean, people should be appreciative of it. And I think that those that are benefiting this money, like I said, if you go to the service, whatever money that is given to one civil servant has a multiplier effect to 20 persons because their dependents are very high. So what the governor has done is something that other governors should emulate. Even the local government chairmen and not the rest of them should emulate it and do it, work in that direction.
What is expected from the workers?
What is expected from the workers? The expectation of the workers?
So what is expected from the workers?
Oh, the governor haven't showed love. I said in one of the press briefing, Governor Fubara loves Rivers workers. Rivers workers loves Governor Fubara. My expectation is that they will deliver, they will do that which they are employed for. They will be punctual at their duty posts. They will carry out government policies in accordance to what is supposed to be. They will not fail him. They will not relent.
Thank you very much.
I remain Comrade Emecheta Brave Chuku, JP, Chairman of the Rivers State Joint Public Negotiating Council of Rivers State.